What are supplements? Have you heard of supplements? Have you even wondered like what supplements are? And should all of us be taking supplements? And is it important for a healthy lifestyle? So we will be talking more on that topic today. What are supplements? And what do you actually mean by supplements? Are they medicines?
So, welcome everyone. Yeah, supplements, as the word suggests, it supplements something. So, supplement is something supplementing a good diet, our daily meals, diet, food. So, because with the present lifestyle, the present farming techniques, they have changed over the years. Now it's become more profit oriented. The traditional farming techniques were such that the ground could hold more of the minerals, and there was a lot of abundance of the nutrients in the food. So now when you do you check up the database, that maybe what an apple had 50 years ago, the amount of vitamin C or various other nutrients, apple would be having maybe 400. So you can never compare it to any supplement, maybe 400 various enzymes, nutrients, minerals, everything. But today, when you measure it, the size would have become big. They have modified it, but the nutrients and vitamins has become much less. Second, are we eating enough to get all the nutrients in as we were eating before? Are we eating in a relaxed manner? Are we missing out meals? Is the timing correct? Is the absorption okay? So then it could be necessary to supplement extra nutrients, extra vitamin, minerals, what was in the foods. So we are supplementing something from the foods, because we can come to know that there is deficiency of it. One can come to know about it. But first of all, that is what supplements are. They are not medicines. They are natural part of nutrition. They can be broadly grouped into, like, let us say, botanicals, that is extracted from plants and herbs, the extracts, part of like turmeric, ginger, many things from botanicals are being used. And second part could be like vitamins, minerals, essential fatty acids like omega-3 alpha linolenic acid. So these are from the nutrients, from the botanical, which is extracted again and sold as vitamins and minerals. So they are botanicals extracts and vitamin minerals extracted from these botanicals. And the more natural they are, the more people have understood now they want it. So it's a very, very big supplements. There's a lot of scientific background. There are very big companies abroad in America making it. There's lots of research, input, almost education. There's education on supplements. That is what supplements are, not medicines. Medicines need prescription. Supplements do not need prescription, but yet they have to follow international plus local, national government body rules and regulations. You just can't get up and pick up something, put in a capsule and sell it. There are very strict rules and regulations to be followed for supplements also.
Very detailed explanation, so it's absolutely clear. Now, do we need to take supplements or we don't have to take supplements?
Good question. If you are absolutely fit, healthy, no blood pressure, no sugar problems, no sleep problems, no mental emotional problems, full of energy, wonderful sleep, your diet is very good, you don't need supplements, because supplements is supplementing where there's a deficiency, because when there is a deficiency, your body organs cannot function, because nutrients, vitamins, Coming under micronutrients, macro is the carb, protein, fats. So micro, all is needed for the body to function. So if your body is functioning optimally without any disease, why should you have them? Because every city, the hospitals are, popping up left and right. So people are not well. There are long queues in doctor chambers. People are not well. And secondly, if you're having blood pressure, overweight, and you can check from your blood report. If something is not okay, yes, you need medicines maybe, but your nutrient is not okay, nutrient intake is not okay. So then perhaps you need to supplement. Secondly, there are lots of functional tests available now. Even the normal blood tests can let us know the status of our vitamins, the status of the antioxidants. That is possible. And functional tests like dried urine, blood spot, they can identify exactly from the cellular level if you are deficient in any vitamin or mineral. So if a person says, I don't believe in them, don't believe in them, but please go and believe in your blood report or believe in the mirror. If the mirror is showing that you are overweight, if the mirror is showing something is not correct, you are looking, you're aging fast, you're not looking okay, the mirror won't lie, your blood reports won't lie. So there is option to get in touch with someone who has an idea about supplements.
What is your opinion on supplements? Like, do you suggest supplements to clients while coaching?
That's a nice question, because supplements are all over the world now, everywhere. Every online platform is selling supplements. There's no shortage of it. So when clients come to me, the first thing I do is tell them or make them get rid of the supplements which they are taking because they don't know what they are taking and they are causing harm. First step. Right, because normally they are taking supplements where in front of the bottle or the advertisement is showing, women's hair touching the ground is so long and the black shine is so much that you get blinded by the black shine.
Yeah.
But they don't know the backside when they read in it.
Yes.
They don't know what they are taking. You see, it would be better they do a headstand and some blood flows in the head, and that will be more effective. So first thing is to educate them that what are they taking. They could be taking something correct, but why are they taking? What are they taking? And secondly, my opinion would always be the base has to be made first. If someone's diet, lifestyle is not healthy, and then the word is supplement, so, and someone is having something, thinking is going to be effective, it will not be that effective. It won't be effective. So it has to supplement a good diet. Despite the good diet, because the stress, toxins have increased so much, our body's in a lot of pressure, metabolizing them. So lots of these nutrients get used up over there. They're getting wasted in, not in thriving, they're getting wasted in just repair work, maintenance work. There's a lot of stress on the body. So we could be needing them. So the best way is to do a complete intake, coming to know about checking their blood markers and their lifestyle. Are they having pains, inflammation? So accordingly, one does offer supplements. So in my practice, but before offering supplements, we educate them. You could have the best supplement in the world, but if you're having an absorption problem with the digestive system, it won't get absorbed. It's a waste of money. So you have to go step by step. So we have to educate them that what is in the supplement, education about different products. I'll give you an example. For example, they may come to you and say that, the same thing what I saw or you offered me, you suggested me, is costing 1,000 something. And here there is something costing 500. So I'm going to go for the 500 one. So you tell them, do you know how many milligrams is in a capsule? They say, what's that? They say each capsule will have milligrams, because supplement in capsule form is now, what does it mean? It is control, the milligrams is given. When we have in a spoon, it's difficult to measure it for because they are coming from foods. But here it is controlled. So you have to educate them that here it is 500 milligrams. And the one with the half price, did you see saying 100 milligrams only in the capsule? The capsule size is same. The difference is in the milligrams. So means 500 and 100, this is 500 times more content in it. So you are buying something half the price, but that should be 20% of the price because the content is only 20%. So you're paying too much for it. And what is the capsule quality? And secondly, when it comes under these laws and rules and it's coming under a bit of scientific clinical system, so some supplements will only say turmeric powder, let us say. The other one will say turmeric powder, but standardized to contain 95% of the effective substance called curcumin. So they are guaranteeing that it is lab tested to contain 95% of the effective thing. So it's a different thing. So it is more powerful, more potent, and you know exactly the research has been done on curcumin in the labs on people. So we know how much of curcumin is going in. Then comes the delivery system of the product. A normal delivery system will just take it out. There are advanced delivery techniques now which have come up. It's a very deep field now. Encapsulating it in fat molecules which will enter your bloodstream in a different way. So they are expensive. So you have to see the person's, is he needing it casually or really for therapeutic purpose, or you have to tell him go to a clinic. There are lots of clinics available everywhere in the world where you get it IV through your intravenous, because then it goes straight in your bloodstream. So all that education is given. If needed, the person is given. If not needed, if he's healthy and fit, it's not necessary. You know, it's not necessary. So, but seeing the lifestyle, it is becoming necessary for everyone. Then we have to educate them. You see, when they're buying themselves, they just buy it. Now you have to educate them and ask them, are you having any medicines? You're having sugar medicine, metformin, and here you have bought berberine. If you do a research on the scholarly article sections of research papers, you'll see that berberine, they are saying, is almost as powerful as metformin. So you're taking double. So it can have a two positive effect for you. So you have to be aware of these things. So the total, when it comes to us, that total supplementation, education is given to them. They could be having, nowadays everyone is having vitamin D. But vitamin D has to change many forms before it can get used up by the body. The ultimate form for the body to be used uses up a lot of magnesium. So if someone is having high dose of vitamin D, because all are having it, so he can go deficient on magnesium, especially if he's not eating lots of vegetables, nuts and seeds. So low magnesium can cause other problems to him. So although yes, we do recommend them, but only after doing a complete health history intake and understanding the whole background, so that it is not, money is not wasted, and the correct quality, correct potential is given, along with other supporting supplements. Very important. B, magnesium should be there. Iron, C should be there. C helps take iron into the body. No, like that. You see then other supplements very popular. You see the bottle, the box in the front. Skin whitening, skin brightening. You know, Samtazione for skin whitening. I don't know why it's connected with skin whitening. All I know, it is one of the most, not one of the, it is the most cellular, master, powerful antioxidant. You know, we have to have it in our body. The body makes it. But if we take it direct in L-glutathione form, it is 3 amino acids. The body, the mechanism will not take it into the body. It will be broken down into the 3 amino acids, and the 3 amino acids will enter the body, and then the body's wisdom will decide what to make of the 3 amino acids. It will not remake it into glutathione. So it's a waste. So either you take it IV, or there are special delivery forms to take it, And if we see the person is having some very serious implications where he needs his antioxidants to go up, so then they have to get that form, which even if it's not available here, if it's available in, let's say, America, he has to get it from America if he wants it to have an effect on his body, or go to a clinic and get it that way, or eat lots and lots of healthy foods, plant foods, which will help the body make glutathione. Or eat those other botanical, first of all, foods, botanical supplements, and maybe that glutathione, which we know a very small part is going to enter the body, all together integratives to see that his antioxidant status goes up and his detoxification improves. So supplementation is not just Googling and going to the platforms and buying anything. You know, in a program in our system, there is absolute detailed help, education on supplementation.
Okay, sounds good. So it's not that because it's natural you can keep on taking supplements and whatever is available, just looking at the picture or the label and just taking it is not good.
Yes. Even natural things can be also harmful if taken at the wrong time or incorrectly.
Makes sense. So do you manufacture your own supplements?
Yes, we also make, but I'll tell you why we started making, because the other thing is, like, as you said, that, natural things, even if they are good, one should not take many. Yes, there are systems. So it's a process we should follow. For example, a lady came to me for coaching, and she said that she agreed that she had never eaten at home. She only ate out and all late timing, poor timing, wrong foods. And she said, I know my food was very bad, my diet. So I wanted to really improve, lots of body issues, no energy, nothing. So I joined some persons, and they gave me this to eat. And in 2 days, I had terrible headache and almost vomited, and I just could not take it. So I've come to you. I said, let me see what they gave you. So she showed me what they gave them. I said, they have given you a perfect, wonderful diet. So why did you leave it? She said, no, it caused me severe pain and fuzziness, and I couldn't get up. So what happened, as I told you, something good also has to be given in steps. Because this lady had not had, her system was totally kind of clogged up over the years, eating all wrong food. And suddenly the food acted as medicine, because suddenly she got so good nutrient-rich stuff coming in. And imagine if she would have taken supplements, what would have happened? My God, so good stuff came in. The body started reacting to it in a positive way, but the detox, pathways, the liver, everything was not tuned up to it. So the toxins, got relieved from where they were hidden in the bones and various other fat cells, and they will start circulating and create all these kind of allergic reactions, immune system getting excited, what is this things coming out in the blood and all. So everything has to be in a pattern. So same way, supposing someone has been put on good diet and then supplement is being introduced, we see so much of ads of detox. You can never put anyone on a detox till we are sure that they are well hydrated, they are not constipated, the liver is functioning very well. Then you have to put them on detox, because the body is going to detox and the pressure is going to come on the kidney and liver to throw it out. So you have to give them first supplements to see that the constipation is gone away. There are wonderful supplements for liver, botanical plus amino acids, glutathione one of them, NAC one of them, alpha lipoic acid and silymarin. So you see that is working all okay, and then you put them on the detox. So supplements also are, you buy yourself, you don't know what's happening. First is a person comes to us, as you said, so maybe he's having acidity. So something you can help them with acidity first, right? That is immediate relief. But you have to see and give them the supplement which is going to help them from the root cause. There is also like a medicine system, the root, where is the root? The roots need what supplements?
Yes.
So they have to act. And then where that gets okay, then you can tell them, now you're okay, now you can have some supplements just for maintenance. Like you maintain your car, everything. So you don't need them, but you are just because of the lifestyle, stressful, running around, eating not in a proper relaxed manner. So you can just have something like extra dose to keep you up with everything, so you don't go deficient. So it's rapid relief, it is therapeutic, and you can take care of that. And then you are just with your age, when you're aging, so sometimes the body also is now relaxing slowly, all these things. But nowadays, I think even youngsters maybe be needing it the way the late nights and no fresh air, no exercise, what has happened. So that is what actually supplementation is. It's a total field on its own, a total study on its own. Okay. And you were asking me if we make our own. So I didn't want to make my own because I loved getting it from all these companies abroad and all. They are really very deep into them. They literally have classes on, they're very targeted, this supplement. For example, probiotics. You see, suddenly someone comes to know about probiotics, everyone is making probiotics. Now you can go to the special companies which make probiotics, and they would be having maybe 20 kind of probiotics for 20 different symptoms, very targeted. And the delivery system is very important. Otherwise, 99% of the probiotics are not going to colonize. They're just going to pass through. It's a different field altogether. So same way when people are coming to us, so we wish to really give them something good. So that's how I ended up designing, making, formulating something here from the factories. So yes, we did end up with supplements, and like for example, they're all standardized. They will be all the botanicals will be standardized to contain the effective substances. The capsule quality will be very good. There's lots of different capsule qualities, and most of them are like, for a start, the general one which anyone can have, because it's for everyone. Something like resveratrol plus. Now if you go to the research articles and you see that this one, resveratrol plus, like this one will be having resveratrol from the grape skin, then it will be having curcumin, it will be having grape seed extract, it will be having green tea extract, it will be having pine bark. Now if you search and research, these are the top anti-aging substances in the world put in one capsule. So anti-aging doesn't mean that I'm never going to become old. It's for the cells. It supports the cells functioning. So when you go into all these things, they're very, very well researched. There's lots of curcumin max, something for anti-inflammation, and which comes from turmeric, ginger, black pepper. If you know, last 2 years, people have been having this only. Black pepper, ginger.
During COVID, yes.
Curcumin, and the whole world knows about it abroad. There's curcumin from turmeric.
Curcumin is very popular.
Been the most researched product in the world, right? But they're all standardized, and we may not be able to have those teas morning and night. So, when you're traveling, to have them with you. Quercetin, something very wonderful. This is extracted from all the vegetables and fruits. They're available there. But can we have so many vegetables and fruits? So it's something wonderful for allergy and lung health, and something wonderful for our gut. It heals our gut. So that's how we ended up making Back to Beginning supplement here, gradually increasing the collection step by step, more for general use, for everyday use. So it's a very deep subject, understanding supplements and using them correctly.
Perfect. So I think we got all the information on supplements, and thank you for the detailed explanation on what supplements are and who should be taking it, and what is a supplement. Is it food, or is it something that we don't get in food, therefore we should be taking supplements? What's your final say on supplements, Ani?
My final say is that first, they are necessary, but first focus on your diet and lifestyle. Number two, just don't go by the ads. Understand the product. Go to any person or any site where you can be guided about them. What's the content? How does it work? What does it do? Then you take that product. and nothing can beat nature and lifestyle. For example, you have sleep issues, there are supplements and herbs which will help you with sleep. But what's the root cause? What's disturbing you? Is it a relationship problem or something worrying you? Understand that also. And let's say like vitamin D, okay, wonderful, everyone is having it, but actually the vitamin D comes from sunlight falling on a skin and converting and using the cholesterol to make vitamin D. So sunlight means we have to go out. Sunlight means we have to be active. So follow nature always. And sunlight falling on the skin through the glass will not work. Nature is wonderful. You have to get up and go outside. And when you go outside, you get fresh air. So you're feeling tired, you have low iron, but you have taken iron tablets. But for energy production, you need oxygen and iron, both, and many other things. So nature, diet, lifestyle, nowadays situations have become such, then supplements. So together everything, not blindly following supplements and not understanding them and going for the very cheap ones. Is better not to have them at all because they are causing harm. There could be lots of synthetic stuff in it. B vitamins, nowadays the good companies will provide you with the bioavailable form, means the form which the body is using it, not the synthetic form, which has to be converted into the bioavailable form and then be used. But people's lifestyle is poor nowadays. The body maybe can't convert it because we're already stressed and the age and everything. So these things are available. So correct place, correct company, or connect to a correct person. I'm there to help if anyone wants to come and see that it is effective for you and your money is not going for a waste.
That was the talk session on supplements, and so I think like all the questions are cleared now. What is supplements? Is it a medicine? It's not a medicine at all. So when we don't get the nutrients from our food, supplements are natural nutrients that come in the form of capsule, like I explained. And how do we take it? When should we take it? These are the information that generally no one tells us, except that you have something written on the bottle. And we are not sure what's available in the market or the quality ones to consume to keep our body healthy. So we should always be seeking for advice when we take supplements, which the advice that comes from the root or from people from the right channel. Like for instance, like when you come to coaching, that's when I asked Anil, like, do you recommend supplements to your clients? He said yes, because what the body can sort of take it in and can process in a good way are the supplements we should be taking it. And that's the right one as per your body needs, as per the condition you have, health condition you have, or generally also there are supplements which can be taken on a day-to-day basis by all of us. So that will be recommended by the practitioner, and with the guidance of the practitioner we can take supplements. And you will also be educated when you coach with us that what is the right kind of supplements for you, what you should be taking. It's not just generally that vitamin D, omega-3, I can just take it anything at any time, it's okay, we don't need a prescription. It's not so. And we also explain that if there could be some price difference between a quality supplement and a supplement that's just generally available. So never go by the price and see that, oh, I'm getting something at a better price, so I should be consuming this. No, that also Anil explained very clearly why a product is expensive and what do you get off by investing money in a qualitative supplement. And when back to beginnings, that's Anil's coaching program. We also have supplements of their own. So he also mentioned why he started manufacturing these supplements, and he's been educated on it. So you can always feel free to write to us if you come across any of the supplements, his popular supplements like quercetin, and you can write to us. We will guide you the right way. Or if you join for coaching, we will tell you exactly what to take and what not to take and when to stop, right? And Anil, could you please show us the quercetin bottle?
Yeah, this is the quercetin bottle.
So that's exactly how it looks like. I just wanted the audience to see, like, how a supplement bottle looks like.
Curcumin.
Yeah.
Turmeric is one of the most researched products in the world. Resveratrol, many people know about it. Combined together with 4 or 5 other anti-aging herbs, rapeseed extract, green tea we have every day, but this is extracted from the green tea because we can't drink too much of green tea like that. So pine bark. So who's interested can go to the correct sites and research. There's lots of research done in hospitals and all over the world on patients and everything nowadays.
So even when you go and purchase a supplement, like for instance from Back to Beginnings, you will see research material available just below the supplement information, so that you can go there and you can read the information and gain knowledge. And over and above that, if you're not really sure if that is the right supplement for you, because there are plenty of supplements that are available, so you can always approach us, take the right kind of education, take the right kind of product and start having them. And it's healthy and it is natural and it is much safer, because like you said, nobody can just put something in a bottle and sell, because there are many guidelines that needs to be followed to manufacture supplements and to give it to people. So we really hope that you found the talk useful today and you've gained a lot of information and knowledge on what these supplements are, which are besides food, but equally important as they are as part of nutrition also. And thank you for joining us. If you have any queries, any questions, please feel free to write to us or just comment below in the video. We will get back to you. Thank you, Anil.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.